Communication was slow and sometimes across too many mediums. Obviously WhatsApp being a key one, which in the end felt quite intrusive. I suppose it turned people away from the industry eventually. My name's Patrick Campbell and I'm the head of people operations at Ardent Pub Group. We were looking for a platform that could help improve communication, bring it all under one roof. We looked at a few providers, but the conversation was always very creative and open with you guys at All Gravy. It was always around the sort of product in a wider sense, and the good thing about All Gravy is that it doesn't just push the content, it pulls people in, it gives everybody a voice. When you're at 2 pubs, you're just 2 pubs, but when you're at 3, it starts to become a group, and there starts to become a need for focus on connection and bringing values to the table. We feel that it has been game-changing, and it will continue to upgrade the way in which we're able to speak to our teams and just do business, and yeah, very happy with that.